Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing, does student loan debt impact purchasing your first home? So if you're new here, welcome. I am so glad to have you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. If you're unfamiliar with who I am, my name is Megan. I'm a realtor in Lexington, Virginia, and I can't wait to get started today. So let's go ahead. All right, so you might be wondering, in today's market, you're in that age group where you do have student loans, you've now graduated, and you are ready to start the house hunt, but you are looking at that $60,000 of student loans or whatever that number might be, and you're contemplating, how is that affecting my purchase ability in this home buying market? And I will tell you that it does impact your purchasing, but not like you may think. So a lot of buyers think that today, in today's market, that your total debt that you owe is how a bank determines whether or not you can qualify or not qualify for a home loan. When really what it amounts to is the banks look at your monthly debt versus your monthly income. So while you might have $60,000 of student loan debt, that payment might be rather small, in which case they're going to look at that payment amount and not the overall debt that you've incurred. So a lot of times what happens is those who think that they cannot buy at all end up being able to qualify. It just might be for a different amount than they either are hoping or wanting, or maybe it's not, and they can go exactly what they want right when they want it. But it is still very possible to purchase with student loan debt. The other thing to keep in mind is that a lot of times student loans will work with you on what you need your payment to be, and you can kind of work hand in hand with a lender to determine what that payment amount needs to be in order to be able to qualify for the price range that you have desired and are hoping to get. And another great tip for home buying with student loan debt is, a lot of times if you look at your overall student loan debt, your individual payments are being allocated to a bunch of small loans. If you pay off a couple of those individual loans, it will lower your monthly payment and therefore allow you to be able to purchase a little bit different. So those are all ways that you can kind of increase that ability to go ahead and purchase with student loan debt. The biggest thing to remember is not to be discouraged if you have it, and there is always a way to make sure that you can in fact purchase if that is the direction that you want to go in. Just make sure you're staying current on all your payments, that if you are still in deferment or forbearance, that you are in fact still in forbearance or deferment, and you're not letting those payments get on your credit history and impacting you negatively in the long run. And again, if you are looking to purchase in any area in the United States of America, I'm more than happy to locate an agent who can help you do so. And if you're in the Rockbridge County area, I would love to be that person. So if you have any questions about this, I'd love to hear from you below. Please leave me a comment. I would love to answer any questions that you might have, and can't wait to hear from you. All right, everyone, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.